But, I mean, look, I'm not decrying Bobby Charlton under any circumstances whatsoever. Brilliant footballer, great gentleman.
To Kevin Anderson.
Ooh.
Full set.
Mind you, it's only going with serve, isn't it?
And I think our girl, Jo, has lost as well.
All I would say is with Bobby Charlton is...
Why are you making so many ridiculous noises?
Because I'm trying to think while you're distracting me all the time, saying stupid things.
I'm updating you on what the latest results are.
Yeah, OK, we'll update in a minute when I've finished my very interesting story.
We update when it happens.